Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. My name is Ahad, I'm a personal English teacher. So, dear viewers across the globe, in the name of Almighty, today we are moving from common to advanced unique words, and today I brought three advanced unique words. These words will help you to expand your vocabulary and it will also help you to communicate with anyone easily. Okay, dear viewers, before getting in a video, I would like to take one tongue twister that your tongue will be twisted and also polished. Then you will be able to pronounce these three advanced unique words easily. Okay, dear viewers, now let's come to tongue twister. So the first tongue twister is perform from me. Great job. Okay, then now let's come to main topic. So now let's start with our first advanced unique word. It is condemn. 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 Condemn means complete disapproval in public. Complete disapproval in public. Perform from me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of condemn. The opposition parties have condemned tax proposal of the government. The opposition parties have condemned tax proposal of the government. Performance from me. Great job. Okay, the next unique advanced word is adjourn. 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 Adjourn means break off with the intention of resuming later. Break off with the intention of resuming later. Performance to me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of adjourn. The National Assembly meeting was adjourned till 12 September 2024. Performance to me. Great job. Okay, the next unique advanced word is regard. 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 Regard means to recognize the worth of someone or something. To recognize the worth of someone or something. Performance from me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of regard. The Chinese Prime Minister is regarded with guard of honor at Islamabad Airport. Performance from me. Great job. So finally we have finished our three advanced words. Okay, dear words. Now let me take small tongue twister that your tongue will be twisted and also polished. Then you will be able to talk with your friends in a clear way. Yeah, no tension. Okay, dear words. Now let's get started. So the small tongue twister is will I really worry, 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 will I really worry. Performance from me. Great job. Okay, dear viewers, if any question is running in your mind, feel free to comment it below and don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, dear viewers, now see you in the next video. Goodbye.